Hi, I'm AnnMarie Hughes from EveryHome Realtors. Welcome to Yardley Borough. I'd love to show you around. Yardley dates back to 1682. There's a historic district on South Main Street. Music on Main features live bands from 6 to 8 on Saturdays, June through August, in Buttonwood Plaza on South Main Street. Lena's Deli offers premium and unique homemade deli food. There's great soups, salad, and sandwiches. We're here with Lena's Deli's Tim and Abby. So what do you guys like about being in Yardley?
Yardley has always been a beautiful destination and great lunch spot. It's quaint, it's adorable. It's just a great little town. Everyone kind of knows everyone, and now that there's all these great businesses popping up, I feel like it's getting more lively. And I think both of us can say we're happy to be a part of Yardley and the up and coming Yardley, so to speak.
Yeah.
It is really exciting to see. 12 years ago when I moved down, there was nothing here. And now you're starting to get the walking traffic and whatnot.
Yeah.
So it's really nice to see.
So what's in store for the future for Lena's Deli?
Lena's Deli is rebranding. Tim came on as a new partner, and we are renaming it, and we're also revamping the menu, keeping some of the oldies but goodies, but definitely adding a little bit more spice to Yardley and Redhouse.
That's awesome. So Redhouse soon to be.
Yeah,
soon to be. We've started instituting a couple of things that we're going to be promoting as we go forward. A lot of focus on gluten-free, more healthy, high-end, healthy type of menu, and then also some not-so-healthy items.
Right.
We have, briskets, corned beefs, that kind of thing. So all that good stuff, and barbecue to follow as well.
Right.
Very nice. Sounds really delicious.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for letting us come in.
Thanks for
Appreciate
having
it.
us.
No
Thanks
problem.
for stopping by.
Sure. Pretty Bird Cafe is on South Main Street as well. It's a great alternative to the big name coffee shops. The Delaware River and Canal is a 60-mile stretch from Bristol to Easton. It was completed in 1832 with renovations thereafter. It's a National Historic Landmark. Mule-drawn carriages move tons of coal every year, but its use declined due to train systems. The towpath is now used for biking, running, walking, and fishing. Lake Afton is a man-made lake to create power via water wheel electricity from the 1700s. Now people ice skate and fish there. It's called the Jewel of Yardley. Thanks for coming on our tour of Yardley. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or would like to see any homes in the area, give my cell phone a call, 267-614-0966, or you can email me. Thanks.